everyone, Chelsea Marie here with marketingwithchelseamarie.com, and today I want to go over Facebook video ads and some updates they're also making into the ad platform for video ads. So there's actually been a study between Facebook and YouTube on video interaction, and Facebook video ads actually had more interaction than YouTube. So as you see, the blue here is Facebook, YouTube is gray. So pretty interesting facts. So Facebook video ads do have interaction happening with the users when you're targeting them. The study also concluded that Facebook video ads, on average, people are watching about 16 minutes of the Facebook video ads per month. So if you haven't been testing out video ads yet for your clients, this may be a great strategy to help bring the cost per click down and help with conversions. I always recommend at least testing out a few different video ads as well as images. A great platform that we like to use for video ads and creating that is Wave Video platform. You can go ahead and upload some different images that your client may have, create a slideshow, put some background music, and always remember the text copy over it because a lot of people are going to the mobile device and don't always have the sound on. So it's an easier way to go ahead and create a nice looking video ad for your client. Then another great study was done by Hubstaff on video ads, and they have found that 86% of users are more likely to make a purchase via a product when seeing a video ad of that product. So they are seeing more conversions with the video ads. When you're testing out your video ads, always remember to go ahead and create a custom audience so you can easily identify the people that have been interacting with that video ad. So then for your ongoing ads, you can go ahead and select that targeted group of those that have engaged with your video. This will help segment your list and make sure that ad is more targeted to that exact potential customer. So this is an example right here of a business when they first targeted a quiz to their consumers, and then they went ahead and created a second ad, and they're targeting just those that have went to that quiz and filled out the quiz page. So that is what a custom conversion will do. It'll track the website page so you know how to go ahead and set up your next retargeting or targeting ads. Then the nice thing about doing video ads is you can see about the data collected from it. So it'll give you like the average duration of the video views, how many people are getting hooked onto the first part of the video, are they staying and lasting, and then you can target those by the amount of time they've watched the video. So those stats will give you an idea of your warm target audience. So the people who completed watching the entire video, that audience is going to be warmer, so you can direct an ad that is more for a warmer audience. Possibly an ad to a checkout, a product, whatever you are selling to help with conversion. This right here is a great example done by Target. They went ahead and created a video ad. It has a little girl dancing in a costume. Then they went ahead and retargeted those that have watched this entire video. And this is an example of the retargeting. They are now retargeting those that have watched the video to a sales ad, such as going to the event at a certain time. So to create this, you will create this under custom audience, where you're creating a video engagement custom audience. So it gives you these examples here. You can set an audience for people that have watched 3 seconds of your video, 10 seconds, which they just changed this to 10 seconds, 25% of your video, 50%, 75%, and then 95% of your video. So that's going to give you an idea of your breakdown with colder to warmer audiences. You can even go ahead and then, when you create your ads, sequence your ads for each type of audience. So for example, this is a lingerie company, and they went ahead and have an online questionnaire first. Once a user hits that, then those users are retargeted to provide more information on the ad. So this is just an example of sequencing your ads. So this would be an example of more of a cold audience when you're first starting to build that audience. So the consumers see it from day 1 to day 4 typically, and then they go into more of an in-depth ad about getting them to discover their ad through a quiz, which was done through day 5 through 8 of the campaign, retargeting those that were of interest. And then the last part of the campaign, they have an ad for them to sign up with a call to action. So just like that, you can sequence your ads as you go ahead and warm up your audience. And this is great for branding as well. So there was a study on the sequence ads, and they found that there has been more of a click-through rate than just one-off ads, with 87% of the users who saw the sequence ads ended up visiting the landing page and the call to action. Then conversions and subscriptions end up increased by 56%. And overall, it's been shown that it has made customers feel more emotionally connected to the brand without having to ask or know anything in particular about the brand. So it's a great strategy. If you haven't been using your custom conversions, be sure to start using those. If you're running video ads as well, be sure to connect your custom conversions with your video ads so you can build out an ad sequence to help build your branding. So if you are creating video ads, here are some tips to help you out with creating those video ads to help just with conversions. So remember, you have a short amount of time to catch that user's attention, so the first part of the video is very important. You want to get to the point where they understand the value of your products or services. You want to be very specific with the ads as well so your user doesn't lose focus. And then make it personal where a user can connect to your ad. Then be authentic, show your brand and the personality of it. So this is an example of a company that does photo books, and they added some humor in there with everybody being on a time crunch where you can relate to that as well. Then plan for your video ads to have no sound, so that is why the text copy over the video ads are extremely important so your users know what's going on and can see what you're trying to communicate. And visual taglines can help reinforce your brand and your purpose of the ad. So those are some tips of creating video ads, as well as how to go ahead and track your conversions of the video ads and build out an ad sequence based off of that. Be sure to follow and check out more at marketingwithchelseamarie.com.